the event? Absolutely brilliant. I love the event because I met a lot of beautiful people with beautiful personality. However, I'm not the agent, but it was a beautiful gathering to see a lot of people with beautiful personality, and it was a beautiful networking for me. And I can't wait for the next event. All people get together and all people here, we can make the beautiful team together doing better business for future. One step to sell your house better: remove the extra pieces. The second one, nothing personal you have to have for showing or showcasing your property. The third one, the most important one, make sure you use the right color for selling and upselling the property.
Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.